Good evening, sir. I'm Roshni from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today, my topic is types of files. Let's see about them. What are files? Files are a crucial role in handling and managing a data in a C programming. Understanding the different types of files and their characteristics is essential for file input or output operations. Introduction to files, input or output operations in C. File basics, file operations, and file types. Files are used to store and retrieve data, providing a way to persist information beyond the lifetime of a program. File operations C provides a comprehensive set of functions for opening, closing, reading, writing, and manipulating of files. File types. C supports two main file types, text files and binary files, each with their own characteristics and use of cases. Text files. Structure, readability, and portability. A text file stores data as a sequence of characters, typically on one line per record, with a new line characters separating the lines. Readability. Text files are human readable and can be opened and edited using any text editor. Probability. Text files are platform independent and can be easily transformed between different operating systems. Binary files. Their raw data, efficiency, non-portable, and specialized. A binary files store data into a machine readable format, representing the actual bits of and bytes of the data. Efficiency. Binary files are typically more compact and efficient than text files, as they don't have include any human readable formatting. Non-portable. Binary files may not be performed independent and may require a special handling when transferred between our different systems. Specialized. Binary files are often used for storing complex data structures, multimedia content, and other specialized functions and applications. File opening and closing. We use the different files like file opening fopen, and for file close we use fclose and closed parenthesis. The file open fopen parenthesis closed parenthesis function is used to open a file, specifying the file name and the model of access, read, write, and append. The fclose close parenthesis function is used to close a file, ensuring that all buffer data is returned to the file and resources are properly released. Modes. There are some modes like a read, write, append. Common file modes include a read, R for read, W for write, and A for append. And they are binary counterparts RB, read, WB, and AB. File reading and writing. Fread, fwrite, and fprint. These are appends. Some of the appends like fread closed parenthesis, fwrite closed parenthesis, fprint closed parenthesis, and fscanf closed parenthesis. The fread closed parenthesis is a function is used to read a data from a file into a burner. Fwrite. The fwrite function is used to write a data from a buffer to a file. The fprintf function is used to write a formatted data to a file similar to a printer. Fscanf. The fscanf function is used to read a formatted data from a file similar to the fscanf. File positioning of functions. ftell, fseek, rewind. The ftell function is used to obtain the current value of a file position indicator. Fseek. The fseek function is used to set the file position indicator associated with the stream. Rewind. The rewind function is used to set the position indicator to the beginning of the file. File error handling. FEOF means end of the file. Error handling. The ferror functions is used to check if an error has occurred during a file operation. The FEOF function is used to check if the end of the file indicator for the stream has been set. Error handling. Proper error handling is crucial in file input and output to ensure the integrity and readability of your program. Differences between a text and a binary files. Structure, and these are the things: readability, portability, and applications. What is the structure? Text file stores the data as a sequence of characters, while a binary file stores data as a raw bytes. Text files are human readable, while a binary are a machine readable. And a binary language means the ones, zeros are there. In a text files, we can read easily. Like these are the examples. So you can see here English sentences, but it is a binary file, and this is a text file. So text file is a readability. A mission text file is a human readable, and binary is a machine readable. Text files are generally more portable across the different platforms, while binary files may require a special handling. Text files are commonly used for storing a configuration data, logs, and other human readable content, while binary files are used for complex data structures, multimedia, and other specialized applications. Best practices for file input and output in C. Error handling, file opening and closing, file positioning, buffering. Always check for errors when performing file operations and handle them appropriately. Make sure to open and close file properly to prevent resources leaks and ensure data integrity. File positioning. Use file positioning functions like fseek and ftel to navigate and manipulate file contents effectively. Buffering. Utilize buffering to improve performance when reading and writing a large amount. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.